Hello, I'm Chris Athanas. I'm a KMP developer, and today on Compose Tips, we're going to be going through secret compose modifiers. These are some like unknown, kind of relatively unknown modifiers. This is my the GitHub repo that has them in has the code for this project in there. Um, and here are the screenshots for what we're about to go through, which is showing off a marquee text, which is like this scrolling text, a zoom in area, a zoom in with customization, and you can actually move it around as well, and you can actually draw over image the canvas. Not using canvas, you're using just a compose. You're drawing into compose as if it was a canvas. So here's the code. Let me just go through the walkthrough. I don't really like the demos where they have to type everything out. Um, and if you can't see it, I recommend you zoom in. This is how I look at it. This is how I go through it. So this is how we'll do the rest of the series. So right now, you can see here that it's a very long line of text will not wrap. And sometimes situations will only have a small amount of UI space to utilize, and you can actually turn this into a marquee very easily. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so now it's running. You can see how it does this marquee thing right here. And sometimes it's useful. You can see that as music apps do it. It used to be used a lot in the early Android, and it's kind of fallen out of favor, but it still could be used. So let's go to the next one. Of course, all this code is in my show notes. Um, so let's go to this one. All right, and here we have just the zoom in here. And all you have to do is set the source center, which is this offset right here. And we're just drawing this image of the KMP logo. And yeah, just this magnifier modifier really that does a lot of interesting things. And this is just the basic square, just as a square, and it has a default zoom. And here we'll try the next one, the little bit more options enabled. And we'll show what that looks like. And with here we got this immutable offset, which lets you drag around the image, and it does everything with offset. So I've seen some demos that doesn't include this consume, this change.consume. It seems to work without it, but ChatGPT said use it, so I'm gonna put it in there. And also I used the recommendation ChatGPT had, and I changed it to this one, which was the upgraded the the recommended change um, for the deprecation. And so here's the offset, and you can have the source center here. And this is you can actually offset it from the finger, so you can have the source below where the finger is dragging, which I'm going to demo here in a second. And you can change the magnifier style, which basically changes how big the magnifier image is. And you can see you can drag it around. It has this like yeah, so there's quite a bit of options here, and it kind of gets stuck if it's outside of it. Actually has an internal limit, seems to have a coordinate limit. That's how that works. And then we'll go to the next one, which is drawing content. Um, drawing content. So we got the same thing with the pointer input. I'm gonna go ahead and run this while I'm talking about it. And we draw it with the content. Here it is. We draw the actual content, which is this block here. This is the content block. So this thing causes it to draw the content, and then you can draw, use it as a canvas and draw anything over it as you'd like. So I forgot to turn this on. Try that again. And so this you can also have draw with. There's a draw with draw behind. So if you want to do, so this we're drawing the content first and then drawing our stuff on top of it, which is this little circle thing here. Or you can do draw behind. We have things like, I guess if it's the composable is transparent, you're gonna draw on top of that. I guess that's the use case for that. But this is probably more common to draw with content. So you're drawing the content background here, which is this image, and then you're drawing a circle over it. And those are the secret ones I wanted to talk about. The code's all up on the GitHub. Come check out the, this is the primary one. But if you don't like Twitter, there's some alternates here that I'm gonna do cross posting. Anyway, that is about it. Let me see how my recording's going. Let's see. Okay, that's about it. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.
Ended.